Section out the desired area of hair you wish to color. Start mixing Schwarzkopf Blonder 1:1 with 30 volume. Take fine sections and apply the mixture generously. Foil the sections. After 30 minutes, shampoo the hair without conditioner. Dry the hair and apply the desired shade. After 30 minutes, wash out the color with a shampoo and leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. Dry the hair and style as desired. Your peekaboo look is ready.